Welcome to the Michigan State Finals Odyssey of the Mind tournament. This is classic Leonardo's Workshop Division 1. That's right. This team over here, they have worked very hard to be able to perform for you today. And therefore we ask that you provide them with your undivided attention. And this includes turning off any cell phones, beepers, boopers, wampa-wampas, or anything that could disrupt the performance. In case of an unexpected alarm, the fire exits can be found here and here. And if something goes down, just try to leave it in an orderly fashion.
No pushing.
Or shoving. Yep, or wampa-wampa still. Absolutely. Singing, go for it. The team does not permit flash photography, but they will permit videotaping. Now, I am proud to present to you the team from Pathfinder School, Traverse City, Michigan, Region 3. Let's give them a nice one. Judges, are you ready?
Let creativity be your lucky charm.
Team, are you ready?
We've been ready since Wednesday.
Begin.
The year was 1492 and Columbus sailed the ocean blue. Wait, back it up. That's next year. The year was 1491 when Leonardo da Vinci was painting two women that you would call the Mona Lisa and the Bella Principessa.
Are you done yet?
It's been like an hour and you haven't even given us a break. It's only been 20 minutes and I'm almost done. Hello, my name is Leonardo and I'm here with my lady friend with an ermine, and we are here for two reasons. The first reason we are here is that you painted my painting way too small and it should have been way bigger. And the second reason, I want to invite all the ladies to the Last Supper on mid-Wednesday, and I have nothing to cut my pizza with. Leonardo, can you invent something to cut my pizza with?
How about a pizza cutter?
Wow, that's a great idea. So, can you do it? We need it to happen now, Leonardo.
I'm kind of busy right now, but maybe later.
We need it to happen now, Leonardo. Come on, Leonardo.
Fine, I'll do it. Money!
Leonardo, the paintings?
Oh, yeah, sorry, guys.
We're not guys.
Sorry again, Mona.
30 minutes later, when Leonardo was finished with the paintings.
I'm finished. Finally! Now you two ladies out of my sight so we can start making the pizza cutter.
3 days later.
I'm almost finished with the pizza cutter. Ah, my marsh suit. How ingenious. I have to work on it. I have to patch up some holes and make the tubes big enough for people to breathe in. And I also have to test it. But for now, I have to work on the pizza cutter.
The next day.
John.
You have a line before that.
Pizza cutter, you call it? The only time that's going to work is when pigs fly.
This always happens to me.
Well, pigs flew, so good boy, Fredo.
Since you made it, it's not going to work, but if I made it, it would be amazing.
Well, you make it out of olives.
Okay, I'm done here. The day after that.
Ah, I'm finished with the pizza cutter. I think I shall get it to the party so everyone can have their perfectly sliced pizza. It has wires sharp enough to cut the pizza with and a rim to make the crust look better, and it's got a hole in the middle to keep the pizza in place. I think now I'm going to take it to the party, but I'll bring a spatula just in case it doesn't work.
15 minutes later, when Leonardo arrived at the party. You have made it to the party, Leonardo. We are ready to cut the pizza. You can do the honors.
Thank show?
Cut it! Cut it!
Oh,
cut
cut it! 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh, it's not cutting. Well, I guess I could use it as a ridey thingy. There's some icicles outside. Wait, I would like to buy one for the party. Wait, bicycle!
Boo! We want pizza! Boo!
Don't worry, I brought a spatula.
I want my money back.
Ludovic, oh,
Everyone was enjoying their pizza when they heard a thud. I knew it wouldn't work, and it didn't work, so you should have listened to me. But I'm sorry, this invention of yours is not becoming a big thing.
well, I guess that's okay, because lots of my other inventions will rule this world, or at least that's what the kids say these days.
Well, since you are here, why don't you have a pizza? We have a lot left. Guess I could stay for a little while.
Ludovico, how about some music?
I have a great song in mind. What about the Macarena? The Macarena, that's a great idea. I love that song. I haven't listened to that song in ages, but the way I remember it, it was very fun. Everyone was singing and dancing to the Macarena. 2 days later, when Ludovico's lady friend arrived at Leonardo's workshop. My painting. I hope this is the right time.
Actually, this is the perfect time to do your painting. I'm totally free other than my march suit. You can sit right there and I can start painting you.
7 minutes later. Are you done yet?
No.
Now?
No.
Now?
No. And I'm going to tell you when I'm done.
Okay. You didn't need to yell. 30 minutes later.
I'm finished with the painting.
Finally. 10 minutes later.
Ah, now I can work on the march suit in peace. Who is it?
It's us, and we're here to give you these gifts to say thank you for everything you've done for us. It means a lot.
How gracious.
You're welcome. Leonardo.
John?
What? I can't come to the thank you party?
No, you can. Please join us.
The day is March 16th, 2019. And if I don't hurry, I'll be late for OM practice. And I'll run out of time!